it's me Emma, and today I have a package from Rosegal, and inside is a bunch of really cute summer stuff, as well as some like random stuff I saw on their website and was really interested in and wanted to see what they had. So if you guys want to see some cute summery looks and a bunch of random crap, keep watching.
What the frick? My brand is changing. This is now my channel intro. Oh god.
It actually arrived really quickly.
Hey, I actually wanted to say before you guys keep watching that this package actually came in like 4 separate packages over the span of about a month. So, you're gonna see me changing a lot throughout the rest of this video. Like my hair is gonna change. I'm gonna be wearing a different thing like every single clip. Yeah, but they do send you tracking every time. I just wish I knew ahead of time that all my packages were going to become coming separately, so I could have filmed like one cohesive video, but instead, here's like 4 separate videos.
Funny story, my best friend decided to shave her head, so she has like a cute little buzz cut going on right now, and I thought it'd be great to surprise her with a pink wig, and so yeah, I did that. I'll try this on too. I've never tried on a wig, so it probably won't look good, and I have a lot of hair right now. I need to get rid of it.
This absolutely is foreshadowing for the rest of the video.
I got this teeth whitening pen. I'm not sure what this is. It's like this little transparent piece of plastic. Yeah, I really don't remember what this is. It might be like a brush cleaner, but if I figure it out, I'll put it on the screen. And I got this hat. I'm not a hat person, but I feel like as I am clearly aging now, I'm not 12 anymore with child skin, I need to start protecting like this moneymaker and start wearing sunscreen and like protecting myself from the sun. So I got this really cute bucket hat. One of my favorite Instagrammers, Joyce Bean, she wore a bucket hat like once, and since then I was like, shit, I need one. So here it is, and I actually think it's pretty cute. I've never owned a bucket hat before, so I can't speak about the quality. See, this is where I don't wear hats. Like, it's just so much work. But yeah, there it is. I think it's pretty cute. It's got a little smiley face, and it perfectly covers up my eyeline. So it is a little tie-up dress, which actually looking at it might be too big for me, but we will find out.
Yeah, I'm 19 years old and I just discovered you can like record voices over things. Anyways, it's not that hard to tie up. I'm just a whiny brat. Yeah, it's pretty easy.
I really like the dinosaur print. That's actually why I got this. You can see it's like a little stegosaurus and bronchiosaurus. I don't know. I'm such a fake dinosaur nerd. Like, area by the corset thing is like a pleather, and it's actually a really nice material. The skirt feels a bit cheap, but it's a really decent length.
Why the hell do I look like Marina Joyce right here? Like, what the heck?
Here's the look I got from Rosegal. I don't hate it. I actually really like the bucket hat, but for the dress, I don't love it. It feels so weird. Like the bangs and right at my eyeballs, so they like tickle my eyeballs just a little bit. So that's a big mood. Honestly, that wasn't as hard as I thought, and I would totally go out looking like this considering like I had pink hair for like a year of my life. Yeah. It feels really nice. I brushed through it and there weren't that many tangles, but hair did come out. So yeah, take that as however you will. Again, I don't know the first thing about wigs. Let's see if it's lumpy in the backside. Is it lumpy? Time will tell. Hey guys, so this is a few days later and...
Damn, I really talked for way too long, but anyways, this is a suede headband, and it's cute, but I don't think I rock it, because I look like bald egg, you know.
Oh my gosh, this is like the cutest little sundress ever. It fits really nicely. These straps are totally adjustable on the back, and you don't have to wear a bra with it, which I'm so super happy about. And it still keeps everything like in shape. It comes with this like sash thing. Wow, how absolutely darling is this dress?
I love this dress. The style is so like Reformation-esque. I think it's the cutest thing, but the straps did break off, so as long as you know how to sew, you're good.
Okay, hi again. This is part 3. I honestly thought that I got everything that I ordered, but I guess not. Okay, so here is one more.
I didn't try on the dress in the video, sorry, but here's a picture of it. It's a really nice wrap dress, but my boobs are too small, so I need pins for it, but it's really cute, but it's too thin.
I remember now. I got these freaking dinosaur decals that I'm gonna put up in my dorm room. Look how cute! Look at this cute little pink little heart. I'm gonna put it at the foot of my bed. It's gonna soak up all the disgusting things from my feet. Okay. Yep. There's everything.
I really suck at existing. There was one more thing. It's this cute freaking bee pin. It was at the bottom of the package, and I just found it today, and it is so so cute. It's really like sturdy, and the clip's really hard to open, but that also means hair can't get out. So yeah, I really like my bee pin. It's probably like my second favorite thing in this entire haul, after that beautiful red dress that I'm absolutely in love with. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Rosegal. If you guys want to purchase anything, there's a discount code on the screen right now. And in the description, I'll have links to everything that I got down in there too in case you spot anything.
Before I end this, I wanted to mention that Rosegal actually has a really large selection of plus size women's clothing, and I was scrolling through it, and they have really cute designs. So I just think it's great that even like a Chinese brand is focusing on giving women of all sizes and shapes a chance to buy something cute. So yeah, I'm not a huge fan of like consumerism and stuff, but I know like shopping for plus sizes is pretty hard already. So yeah, if you want a discount, use the code and check it out. Toodaloo.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe for more videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. This is my kitchen.
Yeah, I googled end screen and just took a picture of one. Yeah, subscribe, like my videos, please. I need AdSense. School's expensive.